Hey guys, so your girl Dama, I'm back to bring you guys another video. This time this is the Air Jordan What the 4's, as you guys already know. So before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you leave a comment and make sure you hit that thumbs up. Thank you. But let's get right into the video. So as I said, I picked up the Air Jordan What the 4's. I already took the sneakers out just because I have to, pull out both sneakers. But here's what they both look like. I love these. Like, these sneakers look fabulous. These sneakers are dope. So these are the Air Jordan 4 Wesssup. This is grade school 6.5. Just remember that. I think these are super cool. Like, these have the black cement, the white cement, the military blue, and the fire reds. So they mashed them all together on one sneaker, and this is what they came out with. So as you can see, each sneaker has a little bit of another pair on it. I love like little touches. So I love that when you look at the lace holders, when you go across, they're all different. So here's the military blue, black, you got the gray, and then you have the fire red. So if you look at them this way and you go across, they're all different colors. Perfect. I love that. Like little things like that. I pay attention to details, and that's fire. Then you have the military blue Jordan Flight, and then you have the fire red one on this one. And also, if you really look at the laces, all of the laces say 4362, and they're all in different colors. You get a pair of white laces, and you also get a pair of black laces. I wonder if the black laces are also stamped, but they're not. So the black laces don't have the numbers on them, but that's cool anyway. So here's both these sides. This one has the cement print, this one does not. But when you get to the back, this one has the cement print on the tab. This one has the military blue tab. I love these. Like, whoever created these, they actually paid attention. Like, they paid attention to details to actually swap everything. There's nothing on these that are basically the same. Like, exactly the same. Nothing. So let me get on the inside. One sneaker has the red insole. This one has the red insole. And this one has the black insole. And these are what the bottoms look like. Totally opposite still. Totally opposite. And I'm not just saying this because, I purchased these, but the quality on the leather is really good. Like, it's not that tough, highly processed feeling leather. It actually feels like leather. Like, it's soft. Yeah, some people might say, oh, it's gonna crease, but what shoe doesn't crease? Like, I haven't worn a pair of sneakers that never creased unless I'm fucking walking on air or some shit and my feet never hit the ground. But the leather on these are soft. It's not as soft as the Air Jordan 1's, but it's soft nonetheless. If you get what I'm trying to say. I love these. The quality, the thought that they put into these, the execution, everything on this sneaker is amazing. I really like these. I'm super happy that I was able to pick these up. So if I'm able to find these, then I'll link them down below for you guys to pick them up also if they're still on sale. So just be on the lookout in the description box for the link. So thank you guys for joining me in my What the 4's unboxing. So as you guys already know, I will see you next time. So what do? We gonna peace out.